Hi, this is the demo of Shypr by appscript.com. Shypr is a product for courier, for logistic, and for last mile logistic companies. I will walk you through the full demo from registration to booking, followed by the invoice. I log in here as a customer. This is the customer app which would be used for submitting orders. I go in here, add my number 974031653, add my password. I have the option of adding a photo from the library. I go and do that. I sign up to the app. On this screen, I wait for my verification code. I just got an SMS 73046. I'm just waiting for the confirmation. Great, I got my confirmation. I can then choose to add my card. We also have an option to scan the card in case you want to just scan the card directly. I skip this option for now. This is the home screen of our app where we can see the different vehicles available. We have bicycles, motorcycles, and car. We have an option to add more types of vehicles directly from our admin. The icon on the map can be configured. The icon right at the bottom can also be configured. So it's completely dynamic. I can see a bike around me right here. So I can submit an order. So I can request for now or I can schedule a pickup. So currently I'm requesting a pickup right away. So I go in here. I can add so this is my pickup address which is shown on top. I can go in there, add a shipment. I can say I want to ship my MacBook from here to say to my friend who stays close to the bank. So I go in here. I choose my Mac's photo. I can just put in my shipment details. So I can say this is a MacBook Pro. How much does it weigh? It weighs about 5 pounds. I have just one to ship. I can go and add who I want to ship this to. I can look for an address on the map. I go in here and I say that okay, let's send it to my buddy who stays here. I can say this is the suite number 54. I can say this is Shivangi's house. I save this address. I can add a phone number. I can say I'm shipping this to Rahul. I can put in my current phone number. So this is a SMS would be sent to the recipient with a tracking link where the recipient can actually track the delivery once it's on its way. So I go in here, I add the email address. So I've added a recipient so I can save my frequently used recipients right here for quick use. So add the shipment details now. It's saving the details on the app. We have an option to schedule more than one shipment from the same pickup point. So this is great because we can actually submit orders for more than one shipment at the same time. It saves us a lot of time. I can go apply promo codes. We have the feature for applying promo codes in case there are any discounts or discounts available for the user. We've provided this option right there. We have different payment options. We have cash and card. I choose a cash. I can also add an additional note for the driver that not to not honk, for example. This could be an additional note available for the driver. I request a motorcycle because I think a motorcycle driver would be good enough for me to ship my MacBook. So I submit the booking. So I'm just summoning a shipper. I'm just waiting to see if someone would confirm. The booking is sent one after the other to 5 drivers. So even if the first one does not accept, it would still go on to the next one. So I've got a message that someone has accepted my booking. So it says thank you for booking on Shypr, and one of our courier agents would be on its way. So I go in here. I can track my booking. I can see that okay, there's someone who's going to be on his way soon. So I can just wait for him to make his way while I can go see the other features on the app. I can add my frequent favorite addresses. This would be a screen where I can save my say my house address or my frequently used pickup addresses. So I can say that's door number 54 and I can say this is my house. So this could be very useful in case you have similar pickup points. These are the support screens to explain to users how to use the app. This is the about screen on the app. This is my referral code which I can share with other users, and every user who signs up using my referral code would get a proportional discount. So I just got a message here on my app saying that my agent Andrew is on the way and I can track him live on the app. So here I just clicked on view and here I can see the map and I can see that my agent is on his way. We can track the agent live as he makes his way towards the pickup point. So I go back and I can explore the other features on the app in the meanwhile. I get into my orders, I can see my current order and I can track where my booking is. So I'm just waiting to see where my driver is. So as he's still waiting to get on the way, I can go explore the other features on the app. I also have the option of adding another booking if I want. And this is the favorite address which I had just saved, which I can again use for faster access. I can also schedule a pickup for different days for different days and for different times on the same day. This is another feature which we have. I can go back and see where my driver is. Let me go and see where he is right now. So I can see that he's making his way towards me. Yeah, so he's almost here. I can see him moving. Oh, I guess he's almost here. Yep, he's just about to make his way towards my house. Great, so I guess he just arrived. So he's right here, so I can just say hey to Andrew. Hey Andrew, thanks. Can you just deliver my MacBook to my friend? Alright, so he's loaded his vehicle and he's on the way to the drop. I can always go back and track my agent at any point if I wish to track him if I wish to track his location. So I can see my agent here that he's now picked up my MacBook and he's now making his way to the drop point. So I have an option of tracking him live, but since it may not make sense for me to keep tracking him live all the time, we can always go back to the screen and track the status from right here. I can always go see the details of what I'm trying to ship. So here I can see that I can see my item ID and I can see the weight and details of the item I wanted to ship, and I can see all the details like description and additional notes. So I can completely track the shipment in real time. I can see that the driver is now almost made his way to the drop point and he would update the status shortly. While the driver is making his way to the drop point, the app also sends an SMS to the recipient. The SMS would carry a live tracking link, which the recipient can click and actually track the entire shipping live. So the recipient can know exactly where his driver is, right? So I'm just waiting for I just hope that the driver is reached my friend near the bank, and I'm just waiting for him to complete the shipment. So we can see that as we're on this screen, the status is being updated live. So I can see that the vehicle has been unloaded now and the booking is complete. This was just 0 minutes ago. And I just see that the delivery is now complete and I've got a final invoice. So I've been billed $24 and I can now rate the driver and I can say that, okay, this was a great experience. And I can submit my rating. As soon as my job completes, my job shifts to the past order screen. I would have also received an email with the invoice. So as I see here, I've received an invoice from Shypr, which carries the details of my shipment. So I can see the complete breakdown right here. I can go back on the app and always go back and track my invoice on the app. And I can also see the signature of the recipient to ensure that he's actually received the shipment. We have a details button here to again track the different times and status of the booking in case we need to. And we can also find the details of the shipment in our history if we ever need to go back and refer to that. I can always go in here and edit my profile if I want to. And this is probably the complete demo of the customer experience of Shypr. You can find all the details on our website. Please feel free to ask for a live demo or even ask for a document explaining how the app works. Thank you so much. I hope you like the demo.